An all-screen display, premium design, and cameras that flip. From the popular Zenfone series comes a fresh new update, and we have it right here. Hi, I'm Michael Josh. You're watching GadgetMatch. This is our ASUS Zenfone 6 unboxing and hands-on. The actual Zenfone 6 box is in this package, so let's slice it open. Stuffing be gone. Aha, here it is. Black box with an outline of the phone, and the number 6 glistens in the sun. Lid off. Documentation packet. It says flip camera. And inside, SIM ejector tool, user guide, and clear hard plastic shell. Not really a fan of these, but it's always good to have protection. Okay, phones next. Lift on this tab right here. The Zenfone 6 tagline is Defy Ordinary. Some of the phone's main features are detailed here, including its Snapdragon 855 processor. If you're keen for a spec sheet, we'll post one up right now. Okay, let's set the phone aside for now. Ooh, I can see some blue peeking through. Next up, the rest of the accessories. 18-watt USB charging brick, USB-C cable, and headphones. Okay, the phone wants to slide out. All right, we have the Midnight Black Zenfone 6, but it's also available in Twilight Silver. Immediately, my eyes spot the flip camera. That houses a 48 megapixel main camera and a 13 megapixel ultra-wide camera. Underneath that, a fingerprint sensor. Like many black Zenphones, the 6 also has a bluish tint to it. The glass back is curved, and its frame is 6000 series aluminum. All the buttons are on the right-hand side. There's a new smart switch, which is meant for one-press Google Assistant access. But it's reassignable, so you can do things like double-press the button to launch the camera, volume rocker, and a power button in blue. On the bottom, headphone jack, USB-C port, and speaker grills. Okay, let's power it on and set it up. Let's add a fingerprint for authentication, agree to some terms. Okay, we're in. The Zenfone 6 doesn't have a notch. It's all display, or in ASUS's terms, nano edge display. If I were to nitpick, there's still a tiny bit of chin. There's an earpiece up here, which also works with the bottom firing one to give you surround sound. Here, let me play a video clip so that you can see and hear the improvement. Wow, ASUS really listened this year. This is not the Zen UI I'm used to, and that's amazing news. It feels very much like Android on a Pixel phone. Icons are uniform, not cartoony. Yep, even the app drawer and settings panel are the same. ASUS, thank you so much for listening. This makes such a big difference. The Zenfone 6 runs Android 9 out of the box. One big feature on the new Zenfone 6 is its massive battery. 5,000 milliamp hours of power, which is more than what any other flagship offers in the market today. Now, I can't wait to see how the battery holds up in the real world, but ASUS is promising that this phone should last you easily more than a day. Its 18-watt charger supports Quick Charge 4.0 and also provides very quick top-ups, about 70% in just under an hour. Of course, everyone will be talking about that flip camera, which lets you use the same main cameras and sensors for taking selfies. I'm sure if you're like me, you'll want to see that flipping action over and over, so enjoy. ASUS says the device is rated for more than 100,000 flips. If you want to change the sound effect, you can do that too, but even without it, the motor is quite audible. If you wanted to, you could also manually control the tilt by dragging on the flip icon over here. Our phone literally just arrived, so we haven't had enough time to really take it for a spin, but here are some photos we shot around Brooklyn. Last year, it was pretty clear that ASUS knew it had to change its Zenfone strategy, and this phone is a product of listening to user feedback and improving on essentials. A big battery, interesting new camera, and a clean user interface make this phone an interesting choice where it's available. And if priced right, should get Lost fans excited again. But I'm curious, do you think it's too late, or is the Zenfone 6 a phone that you can get behind? Let me know in the comments section below. As always, we've got more videos coming your way, so subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that bell icon so that you get notified every time we post a new video. Follow us on social media for all the fun stuff, and as always, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, I'm Michael Josh. Thanks for dropping by.